a good start on Monday morning. Good morning. Yeah, well, you gotta bark all the time, huh? Whenever I'm inside, you gotta bark, bark, bark. Also, you pooped in your cage last night. I let you out specifically multiple times before I went to bed. And you still had a dookie in your cage. I don't understand. Yes, you're right. The poopy scooper is over here. I promise you, when I set out to start doing like daily vlogs and stuff, I was not intending to make my content about poop. Asking yourself, what is a water softener? Why does my water need to be soft? Depending on where you live, in the city, out in the country, you may have water that smells like egg, would be sulfur, or you may have really hard water, so like when you do dishes and it dries, and you see all this dry watermark on your cups, or even if you wash a vehicle at your house, you may see when the water dries, these watermarks on there. That's because you have hard chemicals in your water. And so what the water softeners do, we'll treat them. Another example of bad water is you may have iron in it. And if you have iron in your water, your tubs and your toilets are going to get this orange stain on them. And you know what? As a homeowner, you may not want that. So what we do here at Davis is we'll treat your water and put in a water treatment system, if you will, like a softener. If you care, great. If not, well, you learn something new. Alright, question of the morning right now is, will I make it to the gas station? Stay tuned. Made it. If you're ever looking for a gas-efficient vehicle, I do not recommend a box truck. Alright, all fueled up. There's two kind of peoples in the world. Ones that drive out of the way to go get the best gas price deal, and two, the people that don't care at all about the price of gas as long as the gas station is close. I just stepped in dog poop again. Right there. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. Who would have thought being on a driveway I would find dog poop? But goodness gracious. care. So the softener, what happens is the water goes through your softener. It goes through there. It goes through a bunch of beads. They're called resin beads, and they collect all the hardness and some of the chemicals that you don't want in your water. It sticks to those, and then it goes through and back out the softener, and you'll have your clean water. Insert Michael Scott quote.
Why don't you explain this to me like I'm 5?
Okay, so imagine you have a bunch of bad guys, people breaking the law, and the resin beads are driving really fast on this interstate. So you have guys breaking the speed limit, people breaking the speed limit, and on the interstate, and the cops are sitting on the little median, and as you fly by, the cops go and get you. So that's essentially what the resin beads do. They get the bad guys, the bad harmful chemicals. I'm not going to use this bit because it's not working. About 4:20, that's a wrap of the day. And oh, what do we have here? Oh, boss man's here. Do I leave so he can't ask me to do anymore? Or do I stay and hope? Do I check to see if if there's anything else that needs to be done today? Or do I just leave? Kidding. I'm a noble employee. Hey Mike, what's up? Alright, that's a wrap on today.